Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with another review video. This is Kicks.cn. You can see here currency is USDT. Low price wraps with better quality. Use code 2024 for a discount. You can see here their home page: Air Jordan 4, Nike, Air Jordan Visa card, debit card payment, customer feedback track, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton, Dyer, clothing, Lanvin, Babe, McQueen, special sale covers, Emery, Rico Vance, Mason, Mihara of White, MLB, Corets, airports, and more shoes. Gucci basketball channel carries Blueberry as well. About us, you can see logistic methods. American countries usually ship with FedEx, UPS. You can check all the ads one by one. You can also check their YouTube reviews. We will check
में हम बात करने लगे हैं कि ऐसे प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में जो कि बहुत ही अमेजिंग स्टफ में हमारे पास जो है वो अवेलेबल है किकैक्स
and you can check all the things one by one. Kicks free delivery. TikTok is at the rate kicks.cn. You can check here and also check their feedback as well. Their feedbacks are looking amazing and gorgeous. Check their TikTok, WhatsApp as well. You can check move below. Their payment methods is PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, JCP. Also check their hot selling popular classic hot sale over $190. Get a t-shirt for free and Nike Air Force Wallows and White. You can check here. Be happy with your life. Free shipping with gifts. Also check their shoes with amazing and branded quality. You can check here one by one and we will move below. Lanvin, Gucci and Alexander McQueen, all the brands are available. Dyer, Cortez, SMFK. Also about us, you can check here and also check their contact us, address, phone number, email, WhatsApp, customer service, legal area. Follow them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Online customer service are also available. You can check. We will check their clothing varieties as well. We will check how to buy it from the seller. We hope you will like this review. We will check here and here you can see their clothing. I hope we will like their clothing and check here product categories is clothing. You can see here free shipping with gifts. Their WhatsApp number is given. Also Instagram is given. Email, just do it. Also you can check the Babe t-shirt for summer fashion, Cortez t-shirt for summer fashion, free shipping. It's in just $51. You can check our Cortez t-shirt for summer fashion, free ship, buy one get three. Also it's in just $71. You can check one by one and purchase it from the seller. Their quality is also amazing. All the things are looking so perfect and gorgeous. You can also check their Converse, Cortez, airports, more shoes as well. All their things are looking so superb and nice. We will check how to buy it from the seller. Before this they are having 10 pages. You can check one by one all the things. Hope you will like this. They contain Monster coat clothes, winter, Ivy t-shirt for summer fashion, Louis Vuitton jeans, Ivy jeans as well. Hope you will like this review as well. We will check their jeans, Louis Vuitton jeans, LV jeans. It's in just $130, but its original price is $170. Their size is 330 and is equal to S for 50 to 60 kg and 32 is equal to 60 to 7 kg. We will ship within 2 to 5 working days after getting payment. Usually it needs 5 to 14 days to ship to your country. You can select size here we'll select 36, and then you can add to cart. Before add to cart, you can check their description as well as KUYF 00190 categories clothing, cottage, Halloween, Louis Vuitton, other weekly special. Also check their customer reviews before add to cart. You can check here. All the things are looking so superb and nice. You can check here one by one, and also see here it's loading and add to cart here. Hope you will like these jeans. Before purchasing, you can confirm your order as well. It's so superb and nice. Hope you will like this review as well. And you can put your after add to cart, you can see a new page where you can put your name, address, and everything they are demanding. Hope you will like this review. You can also check their airports and more shoes for purchasing. Thanks for watching my video. Wait for the next video. It's a branded quality stuff, shoes, jeans as well. You can visit their site. I have put their link in my description, YouTube description. You can visit their site and purchase it easily from this seller. Hope you will not be disappointed from this seller. They contain all the branded quality things. Thank you so much for watching my video.